ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఇండియా 10th క్లాస్ 18th లెసన్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 2 బిట్స్. Bangladesh was once upon a time called Hindustan, Burma, East Pakistan, West Pakistan. Correct answer East Pakistan. Which of the following state opposed Hindi? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Correct answer Tamil Nadu. Which of the following article is used to impose presidential rule in the states? 336 article, 356 article, 346 article, 366 article. Correct answer 356 article. Emergency was announced by Indira Gandhi, Charan Singh, Morarji Desai, Babu Jagajjeevan Rao. Correct answer Indira Gandhi. Emergency is imposed to restrict people's rights, ensure eradication of poverty, be accepted by all political parties, provide freedom of expression. Correct answer restrict people's rights. Which two countries signed the Panchashila Agreement? India, China, India, Sri Lanka, China, Russia, China, Myanmar. Correct answer India, China. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment was passed in the year 1976, 1986, 1956, 1966. Correct answer 1976. Advani started Radayatra from the place Somanath, Kedarnath, Badrinath, all. Correct answer Somanath. The party which began anti-Hindi agitation: Socialist Party, Janata Party, Communist Party, DMK Party. Correct answer DMK Party. In which year Janata Party defeated Congress? 1972, 1977, 1980, 1982. Correct answer 1977. The leader who won the elections in Bangladesh but was arrested and taken to Pakistan: Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Bhutto, Sheikh Hasina, none. Correct answer Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Indira Gandhi was unseated from Lok Sabha according to the decision of High Court: Hyderabad, Mumbai, Madras, Allahabad. Correct answer Allahabad. Oil price in India rose due to the Arab-Israel war in 1980, 1973, 1967, 1950. Correct answer 1973. Green revolution means growing trees, increase the production of food grains, decrease the production of food grains, deforestation. Correct answer increase the production of food grains. The opposition to Indira Gandhi united under the leadership of Arjun Singh, N.D. Tiwari, Jayaprakash Narayan Patel. Correct answer Jayaprakash Narayana. The Pathans who started attacking Western Kashmir were supported by China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran. Correct answer Pakistan. The political party system in India is single party, multi-party, dual party, no party system. Correct answer multi-party system. Who among the following persons were not inspired by communism? M.N. Roy, Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer Subhash Chandra Bose. The political party that dominated in the first 30 years of independent India was Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Janasangh Party, Communist Party of India. Correct answer Indian National Congress. First States Reorganization Commission was set up in 1952, 1956, 1953, 1950. Correct answer 1953. The new state created in Assam in 1969 out of the tribal districts is Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Correct answer Meghalaya. Which amendment is known mini constitution? 44th, 26th, 42nd, 35. Correct answer 42nd. Food production in 1964 to 67 increased due to land reforms, green revolution, pink revolution, white revolution. Correct answer green revolution. Nationalization of banks and abolition of privy purse was taken up by Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer Indira Gandhi. He was not a member of First State Reorganization Commission. H. Kunzru, K.L. Rao, Fazl Ali, Panikkar. Correct answer K.L. Rao. Bakra Nangal Dam is in which state? Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, UP, Haryana. Correct answer Himachal Pradesh. First general elections in India were held in 1957, 1955, 1972, 1952. Correct answer 1952.